Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best floating GoPro is probably one of the most essential accessories for any water-based adventure. Whether you're surfing, snorkeling, or just hanging out by the pool, this little gadget ensures your GoPro stays afloat and your memories are safe. No more sinking your camera to the bottom of the ocean. Today, we're diving deep into the world of floating GoPro accessories to find the perfect one for you. Number 5. Sametop Floating Handle Grip for GoPro and Action Cameras. This floating handle grip is designed to keep your camera afloat. The bright orange cap makes it easy to spot if you drop it in the water. Plus, the wrist strap adds extra security. The textured, non-slip grip ensures a secure hold, even when wet. It's made of special TPE rubber, which is durable and resistant to corrosion. It's also compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. This grip works with a wide range of action cameras, including GoPro Hero models, DJI Osmo, and many others. It's a versatile accessory for all your adventures. The watertight compartment can store small valuables. It also provides neutral buoyancy for stability in the water. You can also use it as a regular monopod or selfie stick. It doubles as both a hand grip and a flotation device. This allows you to capture stable footage from various angles. It's perfect for water sports like swimming, surfing, and diving. What we like. This floating grip ensures your camera stays afloat, so you can capture stunning underwater shots without worry. It also features a secure grip, so you can confidently film in wet conditions. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile grip for all your water adventures, this is the one. What people say. Designed with a special floaty body, it keeps your camera, even with an LCD touch backpack or battery backpack, bobbing on the surface like a pro. Its comfortable, textured non-slip handle ensures you've got a tight hold on your camera, even when things get slippery. It comes with a watertight hollow compartment that doubles as a storage spot for small valuables or to achieve neutral buoyancy while diving. Number 4. GoPro Floating Hand Grip for Underwater Action. This floating hand grip is designed to keep your camera safe. The bright orange color makes it easy to spot in the water, preventing it from sinking. The EVA foam handle provides a secure grip, even when wet. It's comfortable to hold and won't get sticky in the sun. This grip also acts as a camera stabilizer, allowing you to capture various angles with ease. This grip features a compartment to keep small items dry. You can also use it to achieve neutral buoyancy underwater. When filled with water, it hovers neutrally, and without water, it floats on the surface. The hand grip is compact and easy to carry. It's fully compatible with various GoPro models. The mount tilts 180 degrees, giving you more shooting options. The grip comes with a wrist strap, carabiner, thumb screw wrench, and J-hook. The wrist strap keeps your camera secure. The other accessories provide additional convenience and functionality. What we like. This grip keeps your camera afloat and provides a comfortable, non-slip grip, even when wet. It also has a compartment to store small items. If you are a water sports enthusiast who wants to keep your essentials safe while capturing amazing footage, consider this. What people say. It floats and is easy to spot. The floaty back door is a great addition to the GoPro. It fits the GoPro perfectly. Number 3. YALLSAME Floating Selfie Stick. This is the YALLSAME Floating Selfie Stick. It's designed for a variety of action cameras, making it perfect for capturing your adventures. Made from aluminum, silicone, and quality plastic, it's light yet sturdy. The non-slip grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold, even when wet. This stick keeps your camera afloat and can transform into a tripod. It's also a selfie stick, making it ideal for island trips and underwater vlogging. The pole extends from 9 to 27 inches, letting you capture the perfect shot. The standard 1/4-inch screw allows for even more length options. It's compatible with GoPro, DJI Osmo, Akeso, and many other action cameras. Weighing only 140 grams, it can support up to 7.05 ounces. The package includes the extendable pole, a 1/4 screw adapter, a thumb screw, and a wrist strap. Everything you need to start capturing your adventures. What we like. This selfie stick extends to capture a wider view and can also transform into a tripod for stable shots. It's compatible with a wide range of action cameras. If you like versatility and want to capture both selfies and stable shots on land or in the water, this is a great choice. What people say. It floats and is easy to spot. The floaty back door is great for keeping the camera afloat. It's a great product for the price. Number 2. HSU Floaty Case for GoPro Hero 13 12 11 10 9 Black. This floaty case is designed for GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9 Black cameras. It's more buoyant than ever, ensuring your camera stays afloat. This is a must-have accessory for water activities. The updated model includes an adhesive anchor for added security. This provides better protection for your camera. You can enjoy your water adventures with peace of mind. The bright orange color makes it easy to spot in the water. You won't have to worry about losing it. This feature is especially useful during snorkeling, surfing, or wakeboarding. Its simple design allows for quick installation and removal. The wraparound design gives you access to your camera's buttons and touchscreen. It's also compatible with other accessories. The package includes the floaty case, a long screw, an anchor, 3M adhesive, a tether, a wrench, and a wrist strap. Everything you need to protect your camera is included. Get yours today. What we like. This floaty case is designed to keep your camera safe and visible in the water. It's easy to install and use, and provides full protection for your camera. If you have a GoPro and want maximum protection during water activities, you should consider this. What people say. Nice case, feels quality, and holds the GoPro snugly and securely, without being too tight to get out. The camera controls are still easy to access. Great color, easy to find if floating in the beach or pool. Great quality. Easy to use. Floats great. Love this floaty for surfing with my GoPro Hero 12. Fits snug and the lanyard that it comes with is super helpful to help hook it to the board for extra security. A must-have to keep your camera safe and secure while in the water. Number 1. Action Camera Grip with Wrist Strap. This grip is wrapped in EVA material, providing a non-slip texture for a secure hold. It offers extra comfort and resists corrosion, making it perfect for water activities. The grip is solid and sturdy, built to withstand abrasion and corrosion. It's ideal for capturing selfies in various angles during your adventures. It comes with a stretchable spring safety rope with a steel wire core, capable of withstanding significant tensile force. This tightly connects the camera to your wrist, preventing loss. The 360 degrees rotating connector prevents the safety rope from tangling, allowing for more convenient shooting. It also includes an aluminum alloy screw for easy camera fixing. The detachable mounting adapter is compatible with various action cameras, including GoPro, Sony, and Insta360 models. It also features a waterproof cover for storing small items. This is compatible with many action cameras. The 1/4 screw interface allows it to adapt to other cameras as well, making it a versatile choice for all your needs. What we like. This grip features a non-slip design for a secure hold and comes with a steel cord safety rope to prevent loss. It's compatible with a wide range of cameras. If you like to capture action shots and want a reliable grip with added security, you should consider this. What people say. It floats and is easy to spot. The floaty back door is a great addition. It works perfectly and I'm very happy with it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.